Charlie's Garden, Charlie's Garden. Welcome to Charlie's Garden, Charlie's Garden, Charlie's Garden. Welcome to Charlie's Garden. Yeah! Hey y'all, I'm out in the garden again. Whew. Trying to get y'all caught up on where I am as far as what's been done in the garden. And it is 94 degrees outside at 6:30 at night. It is hot. I'm in a full sweat. I ain't even been out here 30 minutes. But I did get a little bit of stuff done. I got some compost peat moss put into this bed over here. I still got some more, or at least a couple more pots that I need to top up with some soil. I have the sprinklers on because I'm not standing out here watering a thing. And some of my peppers are looking quite ratchet. I guess this new soil that I've tried is a little too dry, not retaining any moisture. So, So I went ahead and amended the pot with some more peat moss and some compost for these ones, and I'll probably do the same for the rest. I just need to purchase some more. But I'm trying to get this garden together. And we're in the middle of, we're at the beginning of a heat wave. And I don't want to lose my peppers during the heat wave. So it's looking quite droopy. Not liking it. So I want to make sure that they get plenty of water before it gets hot again. I'm saying before it gets hot again. Before we're in the full blaze of the heat wave tomorrow. Oh gosh. But everything is coming along. I should have moved my wagon so it wouldn't be sitting out there in the wet, but oh well. I did finally manage to get my orchard to the way I want it, and as soon as this wave of water passes, I'm going to go over there and take you guys in there. So I have a few peppers that are outside of the orchard. And once you go under the grapevines here, which are full of those lantern fly nymphs. You probably can't see the lantern fly nymphs because they're so tiny. But I'm going to get some lantern fly spray, and I'm going to treat these grapes. So I got everything else though moved around. I got my green stalks set in place where I want them, and I think this is a great spot for them. I can easily reach both green stalks, and they're on spinners, so I can turn them and work on them as needed. Yeah, so that's good. I got my watermelon bed set over there, and I probably put too many watermelons in there, but it's okay. We're going to work on it. We just have to keep it well fed. I got my peach tree. My apple trees still look kind of gangly, but I expected that because they're very new. This is their second year in the orchard, but the peach tree is blooming, guys. And unfortunately, it looks like either I buried it too deep and something grew from the grass. That's what I'm thinking. I buried it too deep and something grew from the grass. So any ideas about how to remedy that problem? I think I'm going to leave it like this for this season, and then do something with it in the fall or early spring. But I got my blueberry bushes all covered and somewhat safe from the birds and squirrels. But I think that this looks good in here. I'm liking it. I got plenty of room to walk around and, take care of the plants that are in here. And again, like I said, the grapes are doing wonderfully. Even the flowers that are in the bed with the grapes are doing good. So, just wanted to give y'all a quick update to what's going on over here and what the plans are for the week. I even have some strawberries over here. Maybe I'll get those off tomorrow before the birds get them. I do have a cover for my green stalks, but since it hadn't been where I wanted it, I didn't do too much to my green stuff with my pulling the strawberries. But looking good. And what I also want to do is to heal up my potatoes, which seem to be going good. Like I said, I need to replace what I had for the sweet potatoes. So I'm going to replace those, and I'm going to heal up these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of potatoes that I have here. So that's going to be, and they're growing really good. I'm really excited about those potatoes that are growing there. I did put in some escalator squash, zucchini, into this red bag here, red framed bag. And I'm going to put other things in these bags and get my okra seeds in. So that's what I wanted to get done tonight, because we're expecting like 3 days of rain. And I want to get the seeds in so they'll have the benefit of getting the rain. And this green stalk over here is doing okay. I got a variety of things in here, and they appear to be growing fairly well. So I am going to go ahead. I'm going to grab some seeds and get them in the ground over here. Thanks for hanging out with me. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.